Welcome to Intellify. In this video, we are going to discuss what is demand. The quantity of a commodity that a consumer is willing to buy for a price over a period of time is called demand. But still, the question raised earlier in the introduction remains unanswered. Have you ever imagined why we rush to shops during the discount season? Why do our parents buy in bulk when they get anything cheaper? Why does someone sell anything priceless as compared to others? Now, in order to understand it, we need to go through an important law of economics, that is law of demand. As we all know that assumptions are the basis of any law in economics, therefore let us first throw some light on the assumptions of the law of demand. Assumptions. Price of related goods is assumed to be constant. The income of the consumer is assumed to be constant. Taste and preference of the consumer are also assumed to be constant. Law of demand. All other factors held constant. Law of demand states that there exists an inverse relationship between price and quantity demanded a given commodity. In simple words, if the price of a commodity increases, then consumer demand less of the commodity, and if its price falls, then the quantity demanded increases. That is the reason for all the incidents that we discussed in the first paragraph. Now, a question must be arising in your mind that what affects anyone's demand for anything? You need not worry, as we are now discussing that point only, that what are the factors that affect demand. Factors affecting demand. Price of its own good. When the price of a given commodity changes, then its demand also changes. That is, if price falls, its demand increases, and vice versa. Price of related goods. When we are talking about related goods, then we should remember that it's of two types. One substitute good, that is used in place of each other, like Coke and Pepsi. So if the price of Coke increases, then the consumer would demand more of Pepsi, and vice versa. And the second type is complementary good, which is used together like pen and refill. So when the price of refill falls, then the demand for pen will also increase. The income of the consumer. Based on income of the consumer, goods are divided into two parts, that is, inferior goods, whose demand falls with an increase in the income of the consumer, and another is normal goods, whose demand increases with an increase in the income of the consumer. Taste and preferences. If a consumer has favorable taste and preferences towards any commodity, then change in price won't affect his demand, and if he has unfavorable taste and preferences, he won't consume it no matter how cheap that product is. So by now, all your doubts would have been cleared regarding the topic demand. That's it for today. Stay tuned for more such informative videos, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.